Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing the unboxing of my new December Lollipop Box Club kit. It finally came in the mail. I'm super excited. This month's theme is called You Are Amazing, and I love that. This is the last box for 2019 for the Lollipop Box Club kit. I can't believe it. I'm very excited though, so let's just go ahead and start. So I did slice the box open already just because the front has my address, but once you open it up, this is what it looks like. It has the You Are Amazing title in the front, and it says hello from Lollipop Box Club, and it just gives you a bunch of details about their website and things you can look forward to, her blog, her YouTube channel. If you guys haven't checked out Lisa on her blog or her YouTube channel or her Instagram, definitely go check her out. She's very talented, super amazing, definitely amazing. I'll leave all her information linked down below. As well, if you guys want to subscribe to the Lollipop Box Club or simply buy one-time kits or just give somebody a gift, that's something new that she added to her website, so you can also do that. All the information will be down below, and I do receive the monthly subscription, and then I also receive the planner insert kit, which I love, and that's for an A5 ring planner. But let's go ahead and get started. So this is what the box looks like once you open it up. So it has the little You Are Amazing card. Absolutely love that. And then it does come with a paper clip. It has a little heart paper clip. It's like a crochet. Super beautiful. It says hello, and it's strapped on washi. I never throw out the tags because you can always use them. And then over here we have the planner sticker kit, and this is for the month of January, so we always get everything a month ahead. So even though we're getting it in December, it is you could use the inserts in the kit for January. But this is what this looks like. I love it. It's beautiful. It has like the red and the black and the pink. Very nice color combination. It has your little functional icons, your dates already set for you to use. And then these are the inserts right here. These are made for an A5 ring planner. So if you're an A5 ring planner kind of girl, then definitely check out their subscription. Her subscription is very inexpensive. I think for both of these it's under $20, I want to say. Again, I'll leave it down below in case I'm wrong, but again, it is very inexpensive. So here we have this week's plan. So you have a 7-day view. I usually use this for meal planning. And it has like the beautiful hearts in the background, and then you have your weekly view right here, so Monday through Sunday. Usually for the weekend I like to break it down. I put Saturday and then I use this for Sunday. Then at the bottom you have a little checklist so that you can write down things you need to buy or get done, and then in the back you have your notes section, and that's how it continues throughout. So this is the little insert kit. So if you do subscribe to it, this is what you would get. You would get the inserts, the sticker sheet, the card, and then a paper clip. So super awesome. And then this is the kit itself. So once you open it up, I love the red tissue. Look at how cute that is. This is their monthly newsletter. I like to read it and check it out and see what's new. And then it's also fun because you can cut out some of these and use them as decorative pieces in your projects, like the top 3 goals. Amazing. This one's super cute with the stars. And then it just says hello. This is a monthly goal, things you can do. And then here's a sneak peek for February. It's called Follow Your Heart. How cute is that? Then there's a recipe that she added on there, and then DIY conversation stickers that you can create. So this is really fun. I always like to read them to see what ideas I can get from it. So then once you open it up, oh my gosh, that is so cute. I love that. So this one says, "You are a Wonder Woman." Super cute. And then here's the little goodie bag. It's a red and white polka dot. Super cute. I never throw out the little bags out because you can always laminate them and then just use them. Oh my gosh, how cute is this? So here there's a little charm that says 2020. How cute is that? And then some red pom-pom trim. And then here's some little like star stickers. And then here's like a frame that you can use to put like a picture. And then here you have the little pull apart cards. And then here's this one that says keep going, a decorative card. And then labels, super cute. And then over here we have the You Are a Wonder Woman pin. So you can put it on your handbag or you can decorate it in your projects. And then this one has DIY conversation starters, so shining bright. They're so cute because they look like they're typed on a typewriter. I'm not going to take them out just because I don't want to lose them. Then we have the little die cuts. Always look forward to seeing the die cuts. You guys know me, you know I love die cuts, and look at how cute these are. There's like little borders. I love when they come big like this. It's amazing. And then look at how cute these are. The arrows are big. I love that. Feeling fabulous. These are all so cute. Oh my gosh, I love the color combination that she picked for this kit. Absolutely stunning. Alright, and then we have a little alpha sticker sheet. Then we have the lollipop. Of course, I always eat it after my kits. It's my tradition. And then here we have some stickers. Some more stickers. Oh, they're upside down. Super cute. Love the borders. And then here we have, oh my god, this is the notepad. This is super awesome. I love that. It says monthly goals, steps to take, my plan. Here's the steps you can put, and then the month, complete by, and then the day. That is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm obsessed with this. I love that. And then here we have the paper. Look at how cute this bag is. It's such a pretty pink. I love that. I don't know what I'm going to do with this kit. Oh my gosh, how exciting. It's beautiful. Alright, so then we have, oh my gosh. Oh, look. She sent like a clear sheet to protect it, but you can always use it for something. That's awesome. I love that. Alright, so then we have a little weekly insert. You can always punch holes, put it in your planner. I'm going to leave this part out just so that. Really cute. And then here we have the January monthly. I like to put these on your refrigerator if you don't use them in your planner. And then here's the paper. So you get 2 sets. So here's 2 of these in the pink with the watercolor brush strokes. Super pretty. And then there's this one with the black and white stars. What an amazing color combination. I love this. I love the prints, the patterns, the colors, everything. Look at how cute that is. And then there's this one. You can always cut these out and use them. And then a solid pink. Beautiful, absolutely stunning. Lisa, oh my god, this is amazing. I absolutely love it. And that's pretty much it, you guys. That is the December Lollipop Box Club kit. You are amazing. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and remember that you guys are truly amazing. I love you guys so much. If you guys enjoyed today's video, give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Check me out on Instagram. Check Lisa out on Instagram. All details will be down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.